this, Charlotte, you're gonna grill up a pear fennel salad for us?
Yeah.
I've got some fennel over here. Can you see this? Licoriously and taste, a little sweeter. We're gonna cook it up though. We're gonna grill it up and go along with these pears that you got there, Charlotte.
Yeah, I have Bosque pears, which are a little bit sweet and tart and go really well with fennel. Plus, they're more firm than regular pears.
All right.
So they'll hold up on the grill.
Sounds like a delicious barbecue summer salad.
Oh, yeah.
Kept the core intact for you so it didn't come apart on the grill there.
How considerate. Now I'm going to drizzle with a little bit of neutral oil, either canola or vegetable oil, so it doesn't interfere with the flavor of these two beautiful vegetable and fruit.
Excellent. Well, why don't you take that over that grill over there?
All right, I am turning the fennel. It takes about 5 minutes aside on medium-high heat. Pears are only going to take about 1.5 minutes per side to get some nice color.
I'm gonna make a dressing for that beautiful pear and fennel salad. Add some watercress to this action. Oh, man, that looks good. Now I'm gonna make you real simple dressing here. A little EVO, extra virgin olive oil, sherry vinegar, a little tartness, some brown sugar, sweeten this up just a little bit. A little citrus, a little orange. Give this a little pour over the top. Oh. Y'all getting hungry?
Yeah!